morning students. Today we are going to study here this increasing and decreasing order. Increasing and decreasing order. Increasing order means the numbers written from the smallest to the biggest are in this increasing order. In increasing order, you write these numbers here, smallest to biggest one. 1, the smallest number, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these numbers are these increasing these numbers. Then decreasing order means these numbers written from the biggest to the smallest. These numbers written from the biggest to the smallest. Then first you write here this biggest number 9. Then afterwards 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here all these numbers are decreasing and here all these numbers are increasing. Then increasing order means the number smallest to biggest one, and in decreasing order the numbers biggest to smallest one. Then examples write the numbers in increasing and decreasing order. Write the numbers in increasing and decreasing order. Here 8, 7, 6, 1, 4. 8, 7, 6, 1, 4. These numbers given. Then you write these numbers in ascending order. Firstly, you write all these numbers in ascending order. Firstly, you write in these numbers which one is smallest one. 1. Then 4, 6, 7 and 8 means smallest to biggest number. Then in decreasing order, you write firstly biggest number 8, 7, 6, 4 and 1. Decreasing all these numbers. Again one example see. Second one. 2, 7, 5, 9. 2, 7, 5, 9. Then you write here this ascending order. You write here this ascending order. In ascending order you write all these numbers smallest to biggest one. Smallest number write here 2. Then 5, 7 and 9 increasing numbers. Then decreasing order you write here this big number, this 9, 7, 5 and 2. These decreasing numbers, biggest to smallest one. Then see in your textbook this page number 26. Here count the beads and write the missing numbers in the increasing order. You count these beads here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here middle in 9 number. Means all these numbers are these increasing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here see, here 9, again here 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All these numbers are in decreasing. Then one question is given here. Write the smallest and biggest of the given numbers. Then write the given numbers in the increasing order. Here numbers given. See here. Here 6, 3, 1, 8 given. Then in these numbers, which one is smallest number? You write firstly in this column 1. Then which one is biggest number? 8. Then you write here increasing order. Increasing order means the number smallest to biggest. Then write 1, 3, 6 and 8. In your notebook, you make one column. Write question. Write the smallest and biggest of the given numbers. Write the given numbers in the increasing order. Then you make here columns. Here one given numbers. Smallest number. smallest number, biggest and increasing order. You make these 4 columns, given numbers, smallest, biggest and increasing order. Here numbers given 6, 3, 1, 8. Then in these numbers, which one number is smallest? Then you write here 1. Then biggest number 8. Then all these numbers write in increasing order. Smallest to biggest one means 1, 3, 6 and 8. Then here 2, 5, 9, 7. These 4 numbers given. Then which one is smallest number? Then you write here 2. Then biggest number 9. All these numbers write in increasing order. Smallest to biggest one 2, 5, 7 and 9. 2, 5, 7 and 9. Third one 8, 9, 6, 4. Smallest number write here 4. Then in biggest column you write biggest number this 9. Then all these numbers write in increasing order means 4, 6, 8, 9. Then next one 1, 9, 4, 7. In homework you complete this. Write smallest number, biggest number and increasing order. Then 6, 2, 8, 9. 5, 7, 1 and 3. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 9, 2, 4, 5. Then in homework you write here the smallest number, biggest number and this increasing order. Smallest to biggest number, see, right? Okay, bye. All of you complete this homework and send me photo.